Mastering adverbs of time. Make your English sound natural. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a critical part of English grammar, adverbs of time. These are adverbs that give us information about when something happens. They are crucial for communicating effectively and naturally in English. Before we jump into examples, let's make sure we understand what adverbs of time are. An adverb of time tells us when something happens. It gives us a time frame for the action or state described by the verb in the sentence. These adverbs are usually positioned at the beginning or end of the sentence. Examples of adverbs of time include yesterday, tomorrow, now, then, later, and so on. For example, in the sentence, I will do my homework later, later is an adverb of time. Now, let's explore some common adverbs of time. 1. Yesterday. This adverb refers to the day before today. Example, I saw a movie yesterday. 2. Today. This adverb refers to the present day. Example, I am studying today. 3. Tomorrow. This adverb refers to the day after today. Example, I will visit my grandma tomorrow. 4. Now. This adverb refers to the present moment. Example, I am making a video now. 5. Then. This adverb refers to a time in the past or a time following a certain action. Example, I finished my work, and then I went home. 6. Soon. This adverb refers to a time in the near future. Example, I will see you soon. 7. Later. This adverb refers to a time after the present. Example, let's talk about it later. 8. Still. This adverb shows that an action is ongoing. Example, I am still waiting for the bus. Remember, these are just a few examples. There are many more adverbs of time that you'll come across as you continue learning and practicing English. Now that you know what adverbs of time are and some common examples, it's time to practice. Try to make sentences using these adverbs and use them in your daily conversation. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new language concept. And that's a wrap on our discussion on adverbs of time. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more confident about using these adverbs in your English communication. Remember, keep practicing, and soon you'll be using adverbs of time naturally. Thank you for watching, and keep learning. Remember, language is not a destination, it's a journey. Enjoy the ride!